Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. Yeah. Today we are going to discuss about something really important and something really vital. So get ready. But before jumping into the video, let me tell you guys this. I'm saying for those who always say to turn on the subtitles for Spanish, Portuguese, even German language. Guys, trust me, I have tried my best to do it. I have tried to, turn on the auto translation so that people from anywhere in any language can translate it, at least auto translate it, and can watch it. But somehow my videos always, getting Hindi subtitles. I don't know why. I don't know why it keeps on happening. I'm not from India even, but somehow the Hindi subtitles are still on. I don't know what's wrong. I'm sorry for those people. I know a lot of you guys actually look forward to watch my videos to get updates on, Fayeko and everything. I'm sorry that I am unable to do it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Anyway, guys, now let's talk about it. All right. I don't know if you guys do remember it or not. Just yesterday or the day before yesterday, we have actually discussed about this thing, right? On this topic, we were talking if Nine-Star going to do something dirty, if Nine-Star going to do something just right before Faiz fan meet. And guess what? Yeah, you got that right. They are trying to play something. They are trying to pull out a move. And what kind of move? Let me explain. I'm here to explain. Allow me. As you guys know that on 26th March, Ninth actually had a schedule for newbie and their new content. Here you go. Let me show you. Right, right. So somehow they didn't post anything, right? And they actually postponed it somehow. But they didn't say it when they are going to post it. I knew something is going to coming. Our whole fandom actually know about this because we can feel it. We can feel the evilness of Nine Star. And then guess what? I know you guys guessed it right. Yeah, Nine Star actually planning on dropping the new release tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow, today. Yeah, today is 30th. Nine Star actually planning to drop their new content today. Yeah, at 30th March. Just when Fire's fan meet is taking place is gonna happen. Wow. As if we didn't see that coming from miles away. Nine Star, do you guys really think we are that kind of dumb? Do you guys really think we are foolish like you guys? Don't ever forget about the fact that our whole fandom is filled with intelligent, wise, smart people. And not to mention those FBI detectives. Wow. So you better watch out. How can you come up with something dumb like this? I have no idea. Guys, remember we were actually discussing about it. We were saying that of course Nine Star planning something. Nine Star is definitely plotting against Fire or trying to do something about it. And baby, we were so right about this fact. We were spot on, guys. We were spot on. Yeah. What a dumb move to make, guys. What a dumb move. I wanna laugh so much. Trust me, I wanna laugh so much. I'm holding it because I'm filming a video. But how can they think we are this much dumb? Seriously, 30th March, you couldn't select a better day for your shippy content? Hmm. Now this says a lot about your company, Nansta. This says, this speaks volume. How much shippy, how much evil you guys are, this one movement actually shows. Yeah, you guys thought you guys did something brilliant there, right? You guys thought it was such a smart move, but nobody, no, it was the dumbest move to make. That's it. You guys pulled the worst, what should I say, thing in the history. We are used to it, Nansta. We are used to it. Don't try us. I mean, I'm laughing because guys, we don't give a f about it. We don't give a shit, right? And of course, I know that there are new content as they are trying to, decorate it with everything. They are trying to create some anticipation, wanna create some suspense for this. I don't know why, but anyway, we know that it's gonna go down, it's gonna go in the drain or whatsoever. I'm sorry for saying that word. Anyway, so yeah, yeah, now I want to know your opinion about it, guys. I want to ask you guys, did you guys predict it as well? Right, so as I was saying, did you guys see it coming from a mile away? Yeah. Yeah, I know everyone knew that Nance are going to do something. That's for sure. They were plotting this as if this is some kind of a big move. This is nothing but a dumb thing to do, guys. They thought we would give them some kind of engagement. They thought we'd give them some kind of view. No, Nansta, not on our watch. You are not getting anything from us at all. That's it. That's it. You guys thought if you would postpone it, our whole fandom would run back to you. And if you are gonna drop your content on the 30th March, the same day as Faiz fan meet, do you guys really thought it would put a dent on Faiz reputation, Faiz dignity, or Faiz fan meet even? This is the, as I said, this is the most foolish move. This is the most foolish decision I have ever seen that any company actually made. I'm telling you guys, Nine is filled with ignorant people. Yeah, yeah. They really think our whole fandom is super duper foolish like them. Man, this is this is just making me laugh all over again, guys. Because we have been talking about this in the past few days. Yeah, because we knew they're gonna pull some shippiest move here. Right, they're gonna do some kind of bullshit. We just knew it. And baby, we were right. Yeah, we were right about nine stuff from very beginning, and we are still right. Now we are still right. Yeah. Actually, guys, I didn't want to even talk about these things. This new content from Nine Star, I didn't even want to talk about this. But as I have to keep you guys updated, that's why I'm filming this video. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully this was help. So if anyone doesn't know it, they would refrain from giving any engagement to Nine Star, and you know they would not engage with Nine Star or wouldn't give any views to Nine Star. That's it. So I'm creating some sort of awareness, you guys can say it. Yeah, anyway guys, so yeah, today we actually talked about loads of stuff. I want to know your thoughts and your opinion about it. All right, yeah, let me know your thoughts on it, right? So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very, very soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Bye.